So I'm going to talk about rule of law and then kind of hopscotch through a few IP issues that come up quite a bit in the pharmaceutical industry. First of all, when I was also asked, what does your organization do to support these types of initiatives worldwide? My firm is quite large. It's a global firm, and I went to do a little bit of research and found out what others were doing in this area. And one of the things, when I was discussing this with the colleagues, is that we viewed, my colleagues, the non-IP lawyers, if you will, viewed this in a very broad, expansive viewpoint. And one of the items that came up is that we support training prosecutors and courts in prosecuting war crimes, because in Sierra Leone and Cambodia specifically, basic rights were denied from women and children, and basic health care and food, and this was part of basically genocide. And you really have to look at providing health care at a very high level and look at the underdeveloped countries to determine if they're going to have even a legal framework where you can deliver health care. And so we first started with the rule of law. And also, if you don't have a proper sustainable political framework, you can have all the innovations in the world, and the delivery of those medicines and the delivery of services simply is not going to be feasible. And one of the initiatives, at least with mine and a number of other law firms, is assisting the UN, Save the Children, a number of other organizations, just having a framework where you can deliver health care. And it was very interesting when Maggie was discussing what people need, clean water, food. If you don't have that, you're not going to have any type of basis for sustainable health care. So I think that is a role and a responsibility of the U.S. and other developing world legal systems to be able to set up a basic framework from that. And I'm going to kind of connect that with one area that is often very controversial, but keys into the nutrition aspect, and that's genetically modified organisms.